This guide will help you understand how to request payouts from Chase Bank in a straightforward manner. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Chase Bank website or open a mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to the Payout section. Once logged in, look for the Payments or Transfers tab in the main menu. Click on it to find options related to payouts. Step 3. Select the payout method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter payout details. Fill in the required information for the payout, including the amount and any recipient details if applicable. Double-check all entries to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review your payout request one last time. If everything looks correct, click on the Submit button to finalize your request. You should receive a confirmation notification shortly after. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts from Chase Bank. If you have any questions, consider reaching out to customer service for assistance.